So I'm at my first Jamaican football match. I was gonna say soccer, but they call it football. And I'm here with the baby. Really? There's lights everywhere. And I missed it earlier. We have no chairs.
We did. Mosquitoes and rats.
Well, that's dinner.
Alright, so baby is here. You know she live here, guys. Yes. And
You're talking to the people. Alright. Hi, people.
you know, it's May, so we're celebrating her early birthday and anniversary. So just be yes. So we're gonna have a great day. Shut up.
When I saw her, I just knew. I knew that she was my wife.
Baby's normally the one talking, so I guess I'm gonna talk to me. An emotional morning. And my dude,
Oh God.
it's the second time. And I've been here how many times? I love you. And I had a great time with you. I had a wonderful time. I had
Birthday celebration.
birthday celebration, Duran and Fabian
Oh God.
and Chris.
Yes.
We all hang out, we have a good time. Date night was special. We're not going back there. We didn't drink a lot.
Your choice.
Really? Lennon have no choice to do.
Yeah, all right. No, don't get sick. So my baby's gonna try to for the first time.
Your beauty is way more than skin deep. Everything about you makes me feel like I have the greatest gift in the world. Even when you get on my last nerve, I see myself thinking with another girl.
No, yeah, I see him thinking. I put the pig in a bowl.
It's
They're
good
not the
but
only ones who get
more poop at a football game. Maybe that was their good luck. That's what it is. That's what it is. Alright, baby. Alright. Okay, so I had a good time at work last night.
very good time.
Meet a couple friends, meet some new crazy people, dance our ass off.
If you find someone that you know you love, just love that person.
Got me ring.
Gotta see you through the rest of the way.
What? I love you.
I love them more, baby.
And I'm happy to hear.
I found a love
And then Monday,
for me.
Mom, to be continued.
Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone.
Happy anniversary,
waiting
baby.
for
We danced
me.
all day.
'Cause we were just kids when we fell
Watch your footwork, baby.
in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling. Just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine.
Alright, so we are on our way. This is our last day in Jamaica. I'm saying goodbye, Jamaica.
You between my arms.
Soon, very soon. But we are heading to different location. Even though we love Christmas, but we are going to Sandcastle now, and we are going to meet up with Mom. You know, pinch, 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 pinch everywhere.
Don't protect me.
No, and
You're hurting
they
me.
tell us that when you're with Mom, it's you and Mom time, and what you guys do is what you do. Apart from buying shorts, no. Look at her attire today.
Covered
Very
up
lovely.
like a Muslim.
Nice.
Covered up.
Love it.
Covered up. And it's hot.
And she's drinking tea. Yes. Very nice.
We're hot. We're fresh.
Give me a kiss.
To carry more than just my secrets. To carry love.
Alright, later.
Children of our own. We are still kids.